Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 2. There is a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission from any purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 301. If we start with this box, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 9, 6. For this column, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 8, 5. For this row, we're missing 6, 7, and 8. We've got an 8 here and an 8 here, so our 8 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 6, 7, 6, 7. For this row, we're missing 2, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 covering here and here, so our 6 must be here. I don't see any other help. So 2, 7, 2, 7. But that 6 makes this our 7, 6. If we look at this box, we're missing 2, 5, and 7. We've got a 5 and the 7 here, so this is our 2. 5 here, so 7, 5. For this row now, we're missing 2, 4, and 9. We've got a 4 covering here and a 4 covering here, so our 4 must be here. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 9. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 7. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 6, and I don't see any help. So 3, 6, 3, 6. For this column, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 8, 9. For this row, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 8. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, 3, and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 3, 7. 1 here, so 2, 3, 7. 3 here, 7 here, so 1, 2. If we look at this row, we're missing 1, 2, 4, and 7. We've got the 4 here and 1 here, so 2, 7. 4 here, so 1, 2, 7. 1 and 7 here, so 2, 4. 4 and 7 here, so 1, 2. So it looks like the only place the 4 can be in that row is here. If we look at this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 3. We've got a 1 here, so 2, 3. 2 here, so 1, 3. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 7, 7 here, so 1, 2. That means the only place the 7 can be in that column is here. And we can get rid of this 7. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 3. That means the only place the 9 can be in that column is here. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 6. No help here, 2, 3, 6, and no help here, 2, 3, 6. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got 1 and 3 here, so this is our 6. That 6 makes this our 3, 6. That 3 makes this our 1, 2, 7, 3. That 7 makes this our 2. That 2 makes this our 7, 1. That 2 makes this our 3, 1, 2, 1, 3. Let's do some cleanup here. With that 3, we can get rid of this 3 and this 3. If we look at this box now, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 8. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing a 7. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 5. That 2 makes this our 6 and 2. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.